Hello, this is Sonja from my happy space. Welcome back at my channel. I'm going to continue my journey with my scrap therapy book. I'm going to put a link up on the screen to let you know what that is all about. As you can see, my book is getting nice and chunky. And today I'm going to sort of do an entry about starting drinking herbal tea and just generally trying to eat more healthily and be more healthily. So I'm going through all my papers. I want to do sort of the various squares on a page because these photos are exactly square. I've printed it square. So I thought it would be fun to have different squares spread out over my page. And I'm just going through my papers and I'm seeing all the little pretty things I'm going to put on there. So what I'm doing now, I'm just getting backing for my photo. At the end, you don't really see the backing very much, but because I wanted to keep the squares exactly the same. But yeah, I just thought I like to have backings for my photo just to ground it. I'm just getting I've decided on a pink sort of heart paper. I think the papers I'm using is sort of a combination between Sufis, Maggie Holmes and Felicity Jane printables. I can't remember exactly what papers is what. I've chosen my papers now. The chevron pink and blue stripes, that's definitely from Maggie Holmes. And the printable one with the words, that is from Felicity Jane. The heart one, the pink heart ones, I can't remember if it's from Felicity Jane or Sufis. But it doesn't really matter. They're all pretty. They all work together. Yes, my journey of trying to eat more healthily, I started about a year or so ago. As I love coffee, and but I was really trying to think. I must, especially in the evenings, because I try to do less decaf in the evenings. I was trying to think to do something different in the evenings. Here in South Africa, we have a tea called rooibos tea, which is also very healthy herbal tea. But I was just trying to think of something different. So I was started drinking green tea. In the beginning, I must be honest, it wasn't very nice. But you get used to it. It's now very nice and refreshing. I put a little bit of honey in it and I drink it without milk because I think it's just healthier. It will have more health benefits without milk. So yeah, that is just what I'm doing at the moment. And I just wanted to recorded that. The oats porridge, I've also started eating that. What I do is to make it nice and creamy, I put peanut butter inside and I mix it with bananas. Afterwards, I put nuts and flaxseed on top of it. So I must say, I really enjoy that in the mornings. So yeah, I just try to eat less meat and more plant-based food. I just wanted to record that. That's what I'm going to do my journaling and that little tags I tuck in. I showed you earlier that I wanted to just stick it down the photo so I can slide the tabs or the tags in there. It didn't work very nice with the bottom photo. I was fiddling quite a lot with it, go back and forth, putting a little bit more stickiness out in the back or take it out, but it came together at the end. This rosette I bought at our local scrapbooking shop. And I thought it's just beautiful. I just wanted to use it one other time. So I thought, why not? Yeah, it sort of fit perfectly on that square. These strawberries I just bought at a local Chinese shop, and it was actually there was cocktail sticks on it. So I just took the cocktail sticks off, and I just thought it works also perfectly here because I'm trying to eat healthier, and the two pinks at the opposite ends balance each other out nicely. So I thought that's perfect. I'm going to put that on there. The word happy is a Sufis printable. So yeah, these things just make me happy. I feel good and I feel happy when I eat more healthily. So I just thought that goes perfectly on there. So I just stuck that on there. That sort of, I won't say it's lace. It's more like a washi type. I bought it in a roll. I don't think it had stickiness at the end, at the back. If it had, it's clearly gone now because I'm putting the Prit on there, or the glue stick. So I just thought that will bring a nice element to it. And then that butterfly I'm going to put with it. It's a Maggie Holmes printable. Can't remember what collection that is from. And then the word me, which is also a Sufis printable. So I'm going to put that also on there because this space is just about me at the moment. I just record these things. This scrap therapy book is just things about me. Just things I enjoy, what means a lot to me at this moment of time. So hopefully in years to come, I can go through it and think, oh, I used to like this, or I used to do this. This meant quite a lot to me at this stage. So yeah, that's just the idea behind it. That flower, cutout flower is also a Sufis printable, so I'm deciding to do that. That other flowers is also just sort of foam padded things I bought at a local shop also, so I'm going to use that later. The word keep on is also Sufis printable. I just thought that worked perfectly because it's just an ongoing journey. You just need to stick at it, keep eating healthily, continue doing it, don't give up. So I put that there. And that pink little word Fetty, it says a new page. Because it is a new page for me, starting, it's just I've been doing it probably for a year and a half now, but I just thought it'd be nice to document this. Now I'm looking, there's various white spaces, so I'm just debating to what shall I put in there. I decide to cut that journaling card, it's also a Sufi's printable journaling card in half and sort of put that on there. So I'm just playing around, but it's interesting when you look back at it, you just think, it's so simple. There's some open spaces at either side of the page. Why don't I just put it there? But while you're busy, you're sometimes so focused on what you're doing, you don't see the bigger picture. So yeah, I'm just stucking that happy on there. And also I should have just moved up that little pink journaling card, polka dot journaling card, then it would have had space for everything. This is Word Fetty. I just got a free printable from Pinterest. So I just cut some words that stood out for me. At the bottom, I put "You got this," and at the top, I just said "Enjoy life." So and then I decided to bring a little bit more blue in there by using this polka dot washi tape. So I just tear out some washi tape and put that on top and sort of overlay the words, the black words there. And then I'm just putting some holes in this. This is Felicity Jane tags, printable tags, and I'm just putting some string on it. It's more sort of more twine to bring some, so I can do my journaling later, so I can just pull it out. Just a reminder that you can pull it out. There you can see I'm just sort of taking some of that stickiness of the photo off because otherwise the tag can't go in there. So yeah, that looks already quite pretty. I like the effect of the squares. And I'm playing around with that small little printed flowers from Sufis, just to add a little bit more flowers because I love my flowers. There always need to be flowers on any layout of mine. So yeah, now there's that open spaces. I'm thinking maybe I put a journaling card there, but then I thought no, I'm going to do my journaling behind the tabs there. So then at last I found a place for those flowers. Foam flowers, or that's actually not foam flowers, it's just sort of dimensional flowers which you can just put sticky tape at the back. So I found a space for that, so that looks actually very nice. Now all the white spaces is filled in. I hope you liked this layout. If you did, please like and subscribe. Check out my other scrap therapy videos, which I will link here at the top, and have a fantastic day. Bye bye.